Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to enable dark mode on Kraken app. Dark modes make the app easier on your eyes, especially at night, and can save battery on OLED screens. So let's go ahead and get started. First of all, launch open Kraken application on your Android or iOS. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're signed in, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner, or you can also look for the initials and tap on it. You'll come across the Accounts tab where you'll need to tap Preferences. Under Preferences, select Theme. Now from the pop-up at the bottom, select Dark, and you'll be able to turn your Kraken wallet interface immediately to dark colors. If you don't see the dark mode or the theme option, make sure that your Kraken app is updated to the latest version. And there you have it. You can switch back to the light mode whenever you want from this same page. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.